And good afternoon, oh God. I feel like this is the greatest energy of a trailer launch. I feel like I'm in like a college festival, like a full musical festival. Are he'll come. Wait. Uh, Firstly, big gratitude to all of you, members of the media and all the fan clubs that are here. Everyone has very graciously come, and thank you for all the support to all of us at Foxstar and Dharma Productions and to Brand Student of the Year. Today is an exceptionally, I would say it's an exceptionally emotional feeling for me because I remember at this very auditorium, exactly like what, 6.5 to 7 years ago, when we launched the first theatrical trailer for Student of the Year. And in the front row was Siddharth and Varun and Alia and their families and friends. And it's been a terrific journey for all 6 of them. And of course, it was time that we came out with a franchise. The film lent itself to a franchise with all the fun, the fabulousness, the music, the energy, the young energy. And for everyone who's not young like me, it makes you feel young. So I'm very glad that we got the opportunity to make the franchise. And in the very, very strong, efficient, hardworking, and sincere hands of filmmaker Puneet Malhotra. Puneet has been with me ever since he was a baby. Ever since he was 10 years old, I've known him. I've even taught him English. I don't know if I did a good job, we'll know today when he speaks. And so we go way back, and he has worked very hard to be where he is today. And of course, we have the terrific trio helmed by the absolutely amazing force of nature, Tiger Shroff. And we could not have asked for a better male protagonist to kind of lead the franchise into its second zone. He is, as you know, a force of nature. The way he can move, the way he can kick, he literally kicks ass. And I'm sure you will say the same thing when you see the trailer. And we have two amazing bundles of talent, both of which that we will unveil to you for the first time. Both Tara and Ananya are girls that complement Tiger beautifully. And there's lots more that you will actually find out that is very different and individual to Student of the Year from the first part. But I don't want to say too much. I want to first introduce to you the second part of our fabulous franchise, or so we think it is, and we believe it is. Student of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, part 2, here comes. And so we'll have to save the Tiger for a bit. We have a few people that we like to call on stage before we call Tiger. And as you can see, we have the illustrious Student of the Year trophy right here, shining, a shining example of the future of what we have. Thank you for all that. And I have to say that we've had a terrific journey. And our partners for very many years have been Foxstar Studios. They've collaborated with us for nearly a decade, and it's been a tremendous collaboration, and I'm so happy and honored to have them on board with us for Student of the Year 2. And I'd like to invite Vijay Singh from Foxstar Studios, who have been a big part of our journey. Yes. And of course, the CEO of Dharma Productions, who's the spine and heart and soul of everything we do, including helming the funds, which is something that is most critical to any organization. And apart from that, a huge support to me and the entire company, the CEO of Dharma Productions, Apurva Mehta. So Vijay, before we call on the cast, any thoughts on actually being a part of our franchise? This is your first with us on Student of the Year.
So guys, I think we all know there is one Karan Johar, there is one Dharma Productions, and there's one Student of the Year as a franchise. And I can tell you, it is our privilege to be associated on this particular film. And wow, what did we just see? And I think I'm not going to talk anymore because I know everyone really wants to see the young people who are going to come up here. So thank you for this opportunity, Karan.
Thank you, Vijay, and thank you for always being part of everything we do.
Thank you.
Apurva, you, of course, have stood tall with us and have seen me through the first part of this franchise when we introduced 3 young actors, and now we're introducing 2, and we have Tiger in the franchise. What are the thoughts?
So I have to say, like, Student of the Year is really our youngest franchise started by Karan. Student of the Student of the Year 2 is twice as much of everything: scale, grandeur, thrill. It's also our first time we're working with Tiger Shroff, and it's been twice as thrilling thanks to his absolute dedication and amazing screen power. Two launches, two very beautiful and talented girls, Tara Sutari and Anya Pandey, and we're really, really pleased to welcome them to our Dharma family. Captain of the ship, Puneet Malhotra, and our youngest director, so he claims, apparently. He's also got the dual task of bringing the extravaganza to this franchise, and of course, giving it a strong, solid storyline. So please love, accept, and embrace Student twice as much. Thank you.
Thank you, Apurva. And rightfully, like we just spoke about Puneet, he is the captain of this franchise ship. And I already spoke about him because he means much more to me than just being a filmmaker in Dharma Productions. He's part of the family. Please welcome the director of Student of the Year, Puneet Malhotra. All right, it's the time. It's the time that we're all waiting for to introduce the cast to you. Now, as they say, ladies first, I'm going to start by introducing her. And I remember meeting her a year and a half ago. I remember very poised, very polished, extremely well-spoken, and she can truly sing so stunningly that she can blow your mind. She was beautiful and truly is a star, just like her name suggests. Please welcome the gorgeous Tara Sutaria. All right. At the risk of being accosted eventually online, so I'm going to just say it. She's somebody I have known ever since she was 2 years old. But that is not the reason why she's in the film. Again, if you believe me, that is. She is somebody I've literally seen grow up, and she was always had this spunky spirit, always had this desire in her eyes to kind of walk into the limelight and onto celluloid. She's somebody that I believe really, really passionately got excited when she was told that she was going to be a part of the film. Please welcome Ananya Pandey. All right, now's the moment that we've all been waiting for. All right, so he needs, as I've said time and again, you all have already given him so much love that he needs no introduction. So I won't say any further. He, as I've said, is a force of nature. What he does, no one, and I repeat, no one can do. Please welcome Tiger Shroff. Tiger, come right in between the girls where you're meant to be. All right, so I'm going to ask everyone one question before I open it up to all of you in the house. Puneet, what does it feel like?
To be honest, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I think the film's turned out really well.
Oh, that's nice to hear from you.
I have to keep
Lovely. I
pushing it.
love that you gave the feedback for yourself. That's wonderful.
I have to. To be honest, I was very nervous when we started. I was working with Tiger for the first time. When I met him first, I thought he's going to punch me. Baghi had just released then. I met Tara and Ananya again, and they were really, really young kids who had come out of school. So I felt like a school teacher with them. But I just loved the energy that came on set eventually, how we all came together. And I think that's really translated for whatever it's worth.
No, that's great. Puneet, young people like you and me really need to make films just like this. But you've done a terrific job, and thank you for all the hard work you've put into the franchise.
Thank you, Karan.
Tara, gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning Tara. This is your introduction into the movies. Firstly, welcome to the movies. And what does the moment feel like today?
Honestly, Karan, this moment feels surreal. The last year has been surreal, but today, guys, did you like the trailer? This has been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots
Thank
more
you.
work in the company and see you shine everywhere.
Thank you.
Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else. And now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I've just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird. Like everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that. So I just have no words. I'm just too excited. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They are enjoying. They're enjoying as we speak. And Tiger, we saved the best for the last. Tiger, with, like I said, that you know you're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today, when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with all the love coming your way as well?
First of all, you know, I want to thank all of you for, you know, giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love. And it's because of you that, you know, I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels, I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and, you know, I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you. So,
All right,
thank you so
Tiger.
much. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay,
you.
now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger, before I open it up the house? What was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before such a...
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They're just so, you know.
Who was more fun?
Who's more fun? Both of them have their, you know, moments. Of
Which
glory.
moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this for me? I need some help.
Puneet
enjoy
has
the
had his
moment,
fair
yeah?
share of moments, but with, with other people. We won't talk about Puneet.
Yeah, that's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer this.
All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he look one big tomato. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
अनन्या एंड
Hi.
तारा
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
अनन्या एंड तारा आपके राइट में हाय सबसे पहले तो आज का दिन कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए एंड इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार था अनन्या एंड तारा जी
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You all have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. So thank you so much. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me. And I'm just too grateful to Karan and to Puneet and I just have...
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right,
Tara ji?
Tara.
No, I think like Ananya said, हम सब के लिए today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
एंड टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या फीलिंग होती है
देखो मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था तो you know she used to bully me in you know these ways so yeah it's not the first time
Yeah, Tiger, this side. Tiger, this
Sorry,
side.
कहाँ पर
yeah.
मैम?
Yeah, इधर.
yeah hi
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि इस तरीके की जो मतलब क्योंकि लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला सीरीज़ देखा, ये दूसरा है, तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको उससे इसको और भी बेटर करना है। तो आपने उसको कैसे किया और क्या आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारियां थी?
देखो बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा। हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर। आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 1 डेफिनेटली, बट टू ऐड टू दैट I've done my best to bring in what people know me for, and I've sort of gotten little tigerism to my character, and I'm very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to express myself in that manner. And इस film में अगर आपने trailer में note किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood. So I think that's a very interesting world. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, that's all.
Hi everyone, Bhavna this side from Zee on your left. Hi, very cool trailer. हाँ, congratulations. Usually जब हम superstars की film single screen पे देखने जाते हैं तो dialogues नहीं सुनाई देते, thanks to whistle and hooting, और वो ये trailer में हुआ। इतना expect किया था आप लोगों ने? How is this feeling?
Who are you asking, man?
All of us.
Three of you.
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम तुम नहीं बोले थे, तुम ही जवाब दे दो। मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं बजती।
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and this line "Din tera tha, saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that dialogue.
I also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger. So,
yeah, so I wanted to get to that, ma'am. Can I just take a question in as well?
Do not believe all of this.
So I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this, behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking? Ananya.
It's the biggest scam. It's the
Yeah,
biggest scam.
It's the biggest scam.
Karan,
It's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है?
सच्चाई नहीं है, इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है।
एक सेकंड, आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है ये झूठ है?
You can't do that.
Thank you. I love you guys.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
हाँ, आप बोलिए।
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he's also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boys,
The biggest brat in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Puneet Malhotra.
Karan,
हाँ जी।
in Coffee with Karan episode we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet chemistry.
Tiger and Puneet की
We
chemistry.
share a very, very good
They have
relationship.
see, there is romance between the three of them. There's bromance there. So it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it.
No,
Which
really,
you're not
I can
catching.
see
तो
his
कई बार
ads
ऐसा
on
होता
YouTube.
था कि every time we give our shots, there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. अगर romantic scene होता था तो
Not
तारा
the
के
romantic
सामने
scenes,
या
no.
अनन्या के सामने. He used to perform, and then I used to come in and do the take.
And apparently he took very long in the rehearsals. Is it true?
Took quite a few takes for the
Okay,
rehearsals.
all right,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Tiger,
your left.
Tiger, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. Hi.
हाँ जी, hi.
First of all, congratulations to all of you for the fantastic trailer. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये, you are the newest student of the batch. मतलब इस franchise को अगर हम batch की तरह बोले.
All three of us.
Yeah, all three of us. So मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले batch से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको competition करना पड़े, तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेल होंगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे, आप challenge करना चाहोगे? And you can't be like, I can't compete with them. You have to say
Why
one.
can't he be?
अरे
किसने बनाए
अरे
rule?
he is the fittest of all the students.
ये अच्छा, you can't be.
अरे
I
he
mean,
is the
आप
fittest
judge हो कहीं
student.
के?
Sir, he is the fittest student. Come on.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case. Actually, Varun and Sid together could romance one girl, and he could romance two.
Yeah.
So that was a big one.
Yeah, but about sports, kabaddi,
Yeah, but he's
running,
saying who would you like to take on?
Which sport? I
कोई
think
भी
No,
sport, yeah.
who? Which one of them would you like
Which
to
one
take
and
on?
which sport also?
हाँ, अच्छा, okay.
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics. Or I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi.
Okay.
Because he's tall and athletic. Yeah.
जी. तारा मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि करण सर ने अभी कहा तारा that you have a very good voice, you sing very well. So अगर आपका competition अगर student के साथ तो पिछली student आलिया के साथ in the matter of singing, so what do you want to say about it?
I don't think we can compete. She sings beautifully in Hindi, and I'd love to sing with her one day, though. That I would love to do.
And we're going to, before we end, we are going to make Tara sing.
No,
That goes without saying. But yes, moving on.
Puneet,
Hanji.
you're left. Rahul here from the फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी, 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने 1 एक्ट्रेस रखा था, और अभी एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना है. इससे बहुत यूनिक सवाल मैंने, वो भैया
बताइए सर.
वो नाराजगी क्यों जताएंगे?
सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूंगा कि एक एक्टर के पीछे दोनों लड़कियां नहीं है, तीनों साथ में हैं, और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. I think those students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very, very sweet. Hopefully you'll see you may see them in the film, maybe.
टाइगर, आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही आपने हीरोपंती की, फिर आप बागी बने, फिर जाके फ्लाइंग जेट में आप उड़ने की कोशिश किया आपने, फिर मुन्ना माइकल में गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए लड़ाई किया आपने, अब जाके स्टूडेंट बने. आपको नहीं लगता रिवर्स गियर लगा है, स्टूडेंट अब जाके बने?
शायद फ्लाइंग जेट के बाद थोड़ा ज़मीन में आना पड़ा मुझे तो.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल करण जी से है. करण जौहर, यहाँ पे
कहाँ है? हाँ जी मैम.
ये जो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, इसके सारे गाने बहुत हिट थे, और आपका एक और फिल्म का गाना काफ़ी अभी तक बज रहा है, गणपति का जो सॉन्ग है, देवा हो देवा श्री गणेशा सॉन्ग आपका आज तक बजता है. तो मुझे ये पूछना था कि सेकंड में जो मतलब पुरानी फिल्म का गाना लेने के बजाय अगर आप अपना ही कोई हिट सॉन्ग देते, अपना मतलब ओरिजिनल, तो ओरिजिनलिटी.
मैम ये था कि हमारा एक टशन था, अगर आपको याद है कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर का जो पहला गाना था, वो गाना था डिस्को दीवाने. वो भी एक रीमिक्स ही था, एक गाना जो मुझे बेहद पसंद था, जो 80s का बहुत पॉपुलर डिस्को गाना था. तो मैंने जो पुनीत को कहा कि ये टशन हमें रिपीट करना चाहिए, कि जो हमारा पहला गाना हो एक ऐसा गाना हो जिसमें एक रेट्रो वाली फीलिंग हो. एंड माय फेवरेट रेट्रो सॉन्ग एवर इज ये जवानी है दीवानी. एंड आई हैव टू थैंक यूनिवर्सल म्यूजिक, जिन्होंने बहुत हमारी सहायता की, हमें इसके राइट्स देने में बहुत मदद की. दे रियली सपोर्टेड अस अलॉन्ग विद ऑफ कोर्स आवर म्यूजिक लेबल जी म्यूजिक. तो इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि ये हर स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर में जब भी हम बनाएंगे तो पहला गाना एक रेट्रो वाला गाना होगा.
मेरा सवाल तीनों स्टार कास्ट से. सर तीनों
आप पूछ चुके हैं, कहीं और को मौका दीजिए
सर.
प्लीज.
आपने
सुन ही नहीं रहे हैं.
आपने रियल जिंदगी में भी.
हाँ जी. ये डेटा कहाँ मिला आपको?
19 कौन है?
अच्छा है 19 है. अच्छा 20 नहीं है, 19 है.
सर तीनों स्टार का.
तारा कैसा लगता है 19 लड़कियों के साथ लड़ पाएंगी?
19 के बारे में तो पता नहीं था एक्चुअली, लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक कंपटीशन will be unhealthy. I think it's going to be a very healthy competition, and I'm very excited. I've seen a couple of films, and now you guys are going to see our film. So I think you guys will decide.
Ananya ji,
I love competition. I think you can see it in Student of the Year. Competition is so much fun. So it's very motivating having new people. I think the industry needs new people all the time. So it's amazing.
अनन्या जी आपके राइट में हाय. क्योंकि इलेक्शन का टाइम है, इसलिए आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कि आपका फेवरेट पॉलिटिशियन.
देखिए सर, हम यहाँ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की बात करने आए हैं, आप कहाँ मुद्दे को कहाँ ले गए हैं आप?
प्रेजेंट टाइम ऐसा सोशल मीडिया पे
नहीं है
बहुत ही एक्टिव है. लाइक सोशल मीडिया पे हम देखते हैं यूथ बहुत ही एक्टिव है.
अरे आप न्यूज एंकर क्यों बन गए हो? आप एंटरटेनमेंट न्यूज कवर कीजिए ना, फिल्म की बात करेंगे हम.
टाइगर योर लेफ्ट. आप तीनों से सवाल. तारा जी, आप तीनों से सवाल है कि आपने रियल जिंदगी में भी स्टूडेंट लाइफ जिया है. आपने फर्स्ट टाइम आप तीनों ऑन स्क्रीन स्टूडेंट लाइफ जीने जा रहे हैं, तो क्या कुछ आपने रियल जिंदगी के स्टूडेंट लाइफ को मिस किया और क्या कुछ नयापन दिखा आपको?
ऐसा स्कूल आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है, बहुत लार्जर देन लाइफ है. तो काश मेरा स्कूल भी ऐसा होता, इतने हॉट लड़के होते, हम इतने क्यूट कपड़े पहन सकते. तो हाँ, कोई रियल मेमोरीज नहीं थी, ये काफ़ी था.
I had a blast in school and college, but nothing compared to what we've experienced in Student of the Year 2. And it's just been magical and amazing.
We have last. We have last two questions, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Hi, Karan.
Yes.
Hi, Karan.
हाँ पूछे पूछे.
Karan, to your right. Karan, to your right.
To your left. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a cameo done by Will Smith. I'm very surprised it's not included in the trailer. Any particular reason?
Will Smith shot actually for a Facebook show that he did called Bucket List, in which one of his main list items was to dance on a Bollywood song. So fortunately, because I've known Will for a few years, when his team and he got in touch, and we were ironically shooting Ye Jawani Hai Diwani at the same time, he came, he rehearsed Radha, which was from Student, because there was a synergy there between the two student films, and he came in, he shot that. Whether or not he's going to be a part of the film that you see, that's a question I'm going to leave unanswered and wait till you see the film.
Hello? Vijay ji.
हाँ जी सर, बताइए.
हाँ, Vijay ji here.
कहाँ है माइक कहाँ है? विजय जी से सवाल है कौन?
हाँ, यहाँ. भावना यहाँ. हाँ, विजय.
अरे माइक किसके पास है?
विजय जी.
कोई विजय जी, हाँ जी. हाँ जी बताइए. विजय क्वेश्चन
विजय जी, इस फिल्म में जितना भी कंपटीशन एक दूसरे के साथ रहा हो स्टूडेंट्स का, लेकिन अगर हम वैसे देखें तो फिल्म का किसी से कंपटीशन नहीं है, फिर भी आप इसको कितने थिएटर्स में रिलीज करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, there is a huge excitement and demand for Student of the Year. This film is going to go out really wide. And I can tell you that in the last few days, with just the poster going out, there is so much garmai in the trade that abhi to unhone trailer bhi nahi dekha hai. So really excited. It's going to have a very wide release, both in India as well as internationally.
Hi.
Sorry.
Based on yeah.
Sir, with all due respect, this is not a platform to discuss politics.
My question is to Tara and Ananya. Here.
Okay, we have just two questions, this one and one other.
My question is to Tara and Ananya. In the previous Student of the Year, it was said that, Alia fainted a couple of times because she was exhausted during the filming. Did you girls have to work as hard, and did anything like that happen on the set with you guys?
I don't think I fainted, but there was lots of there were tears, there was blood, there was sweat, but we didn't faint.
Yeah, no one fainted on our set. A lot have happened on set, but we didn't faint.
And Alia, you have to know, is very accident prone. Like she faints even while standing. Once I remember she was standing and she fell. How did that happen? I don't know. Like that happened. So she just tripped standing, which is a very unique thing that Alia manages to do.
Apurva ji, here. आप पूरे ये जो आपके प्रोडक्शन हाउस में स्क्रिप्ट पे कितना जोर दिया जाता है और आपका उसमें कितना बड़ा रोल रहता है? आपके प्रोडक्शन हाउस में से जितनी भी फिल्में आ रही हैं सब सक्सेसफुल रह रही हैं, तो उसमें स्क्रिप्ट पे कितना जोर दिया जाता है और आपका उसमें कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है?
Every film is successful only because of the script. So all the success only starts from Karan, I said, because we all are following in his footsteps and his vision. But I mean, creative is the king. Well, we've seen this so many times in the years to come. We've had big films not doing well, small films doing exceedingly well. So it's all about the script, and I think that's where we have a genius leading us. So we're all lucky to be sharing the success with him, really.
Hi, Puneet. Puneet, आपसे एक सवाल था.
The last question, ma'am.
Hello.
अनन्या और तारा, आपकी लिंकअप की खबरें आ रही हैं क्या? आपका क्या कहना है?
कि एक ही बात बाकी है. I think you all should link up Ananya and me because that's all that's left now.
Yes.
I think दोनों हमारे लिंकअप रूमर्स हमारे दूसरे हीरोज के साथ है, तो काम की बात ही है, तो I don't think इतनी बड़ी बात है.
चलता रहता है ये.
चलता रहता है.
बट सही कितना है, गलत कितना है? Okay.
Bilkul, I think since Student of the Year, Varun has only shown growth, And I think he's definitely a student of cinema, but in that sense, he's definitely evolved and grown a lot as an actor.
Thank you, thank you. That's all we have. Hi, last question.
Tiger.
We have last question.
Tiger.
1 second, ladies and gentlemen.
1 second. Tiger.
Tiger, we have last question.
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani ka title song, it was your dad Jackie's favorite song when he was a student.
Oh, really? I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
his favorite is R.D. Burman. So I want your sentiments that, you know, way back in the 70s when he was a student, it was his favorite song, and today we have this in the...
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, sir.
The song Ye Jawani Hai Diwani was your dad Jackie's favorite song when he was a student.
Okay.
And today, after 50 years, the song is come again. So what are your sentiments on that?
Well, that's a fantastic feeling. I didn't know that actually. But I guess once Dad sees the song, he'll be very happy then. I'm very
His
proud.
favorite composer was R.D. Burman. That's what he told me.
Definitely my favorite composer by large. I think he was the biggest musical force Indian cinema has ever had, and it's an honor to have recreated it. And do you know that what Tiger is lip-syncing is in the late Kishore Kumar's voice? We haven't changed that. We've kept it and retained it, and I were you, Tiger, that would be a big honor, because just to be lip-syncing
Definitely,
Kishore
yeah,
Kumar
yeah,
is genius.
absolutely.
And talking about song, we're going to end this wonderful afternoon with Tara signing off to all of us in her beautiful voice. Tara, the stage is all yours. Sing something tiny. Say something.
Okay.
Say something that you want to send out as a feeling. Just say something sing something that you want to send out as a feeling to everyone who's giving us love as we speak.
Okay, guys, this is one of my favorite songs, one of Karan's favorite songs actually. It's a feeling I share for you guys. It's called Lag Ja Gale. I'm going to sing 3 lines, okay? Chalo for. Okay. Okay, here goes. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से
Lag Ja Gale, you know that song. फिर आपके नसीब में आपके नॉट sing it.
फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you, Puneet, Tara, Tiger, Ananya. We transfer the film to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we transfer all our energies and love now onto you, the audience base, and members of the media. Thank you for being here today. The film releases on the 10th of May at a theater very near to you. So don't miss it. Thank you.